How to log into the Trakker app. Enter your registered mobile number. Enter the PIN code assigned to you. You will now receive a passcode via SMS. Enter it. And now you are logged in successfully. Choose Live Location icon. Choose Live Location icon from home screen. Select your vehicle. You will be able to track current location of your car. How to trace your vehicle. Choose Replay option from home screen. Select your car and then select date ranges, and time duration in which you want to trace your car activities. After that you will be able to trace your car easily.